ZT is engaged in the design, development, manufacturing and marketing of Plummer Block Housings, Spherical Bearing Housings, mining housings, and precision irregular-shaped cast iron components. Dai Co Limited has more than 35-year professional manufacturer experience of bearing housing parts. We not only run the sales business all over the world, but also are the only one trade in Taiwan who sell to Japan adapter sleeve market. Dai is Taiwan's leading manufacturer and has high-quality products in metric and inch as below. Hydraulic adapter sleeves, metric and inch withdrawal sleeves, hydraulic withdrawal sleeves, metric and inch lock nuts, and so on. XMVB Xiamen Power Star Bearing Industry Company Limited is among the top manufacturer and exporter of various bearings and power transmissions. With more than 20-year experience, comprehensive technical resources, and an effective quality control system. Our main products are mountain bearing units, agriculture bearings, plumber blocks, drive shaft center support bearings, spherical plane bearings, and roller ends. All kinds of XMVB products is produced as per ISO 9001 standard. Hebei Zhengtan Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited is a Sino-foreign joint venture high-tech enterprise. The company is committed to the R&D and manufacturing of high-end insert bearings and pillar block bearings. It specializes in providing stable and reliable bearing products and overall technical solutions for industry customers. The company is equipped with international leading high-precision bearing manufacturing, inspection, and testing equipment. The production workshop introduces intelligent automatic high-end manufacturing equipment, realize intelligent automatic connection grinding, intelligent automatic online inspection and classification,